Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Crude oil is leading the charge as oil prices have rebounded briefly above $50 a barrel today after government data showed a surprise drop in U.S. crude inventories, offsetting skepticism over OPEC's planned output cut. Oil prices had fallen earlier on the back of bearish supply data from the American Petroleum Institute, with U.S. commercial crude stockpiles falling by about 553,000 barrels, ending the week of October 21st as reported by the U.S. Energy Administration. The Dow falling crude oil has risen 50 plus points after briefly dropping more than 100 points this morning. The S&P 500 has been neutral today as financials and energy offset losses in real estate and tech. And the Nasdaq's the only laggard, which has fallen about 0.27%, with Apple shedding about 3% on the day. With that, let's take a quick look at the markets and where we stand, and we'll start with the S&P 500. Currently down about 0.02%, trading at 2,142.73. We have a chart analysis score of plus 55 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. Key level to watch this week will be 2,169.60. If we were to get above that level, we would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the long position. Moving along to the Dow, currently up about 0.26%, trading at 18,217 level. Have a chart analysis score plus 75, much like the S&P 500, with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch this week for the Dow will be 18,399.96. If we were to get above that level, we would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the long position. Moving along to the Nasdaq, the only laggard today, currently down about 0.28%. Chart analysis score of plus 55 with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a sidelines position. Key level to watch this week for the Nasdaq will be 5,340.52. If we were to get above that level, we would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a long position. Moving along to the dollar index, currently trading at 98.53, down about 0.12% on the day. However, we're still in a long position based on a chart analysis score of plus 85 with a green monthly trade triangle and a green weekly trade triangle. Key level to watch for the dollar this week would be 96.48. If we were to move below that level, we would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Move on to crude oil. As you can see, 49.54 slid back off that $50 level that it hit above this morning. Currently down about 0.54%. Still have a chart analysis score of plus 65 with a green monthly trade triangle, a green weekly trade triangle. However, we do have a red daily trade triangle indicating a sidelines position for crude oil, that you can see right here that triggered on the 24th. Key level to watch this week for crude oil will be $50.98 today and tomorrow. If we were moved above that level, we would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a long position. And we'll wrap it up with gold currently trading at $1,268.20, down about 0.44% on the day. Chart analysis score negative 65. Long-term trend with the red monthly trade triangle is down. Weekly trade triangle is red. And a green daily trade triangle indicating a sidelines position based on a score negative 65. Key level to watch for crude oil today and tomorrow would be $1,260.10. If we were to move below that level, we would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to a short position in gold. With that, have a great trading day. We'll be back on Friday with a kind of a weekly wrap up of the markets and what we're looking for next week. Enjoy your day, everybody. Thank you.